Okay, what's going on, boys? We're back with a brand new video. Steve's picking me up today in his Golf. We've seen it a few times before, but I thought, you know, we'll make an independent video just specifying on his car. We're just gonna wait for him to come and pick us up. That's Steve. So Steve,
yes.
tell me.
Tell you what.
Tell me fun facts about your car. Go. Fun modification facts. Big mods.
Big brakes.
That's a big thing.
Very stiff engine mounts. Hurts when you have aircon on. Vibrates that much. I don't know, 385 brake. 400.
What about this big canister thing?
Yeah, no, that's an airlift tank.
The big bomb thing.
Yeah, that's an airlift canister, and underneath that's all the management and everything. It's not the fanciest boot build in the world, and then behind that you've got
the Fire Halford speaker system. Right?
And then behind that, yeah, you've got a Focal sub. And one of the Focal amp, they stopped selling them apparently. So that's the Alpine amp, and then next to it's a power cluster.
And then you've got the Alpine actual interior. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. It's got apps. You can go on Tinder while you drive. But yeah. But yeah, alright, let's go. Alright, so you've seen plenty of Steve's car if you've been watching my videos, like we did a comparison. We went with him when he actually did the big plunge to stage 2 plus and everything. And yeah, we haven't actually done a video just dedicated to little Steve's car, like purely the modification wise of his car, my ride along series. So exhaust wise, you got a Scorpion, is that right?
Yeah, full Scorpion exhaust system. I've also got an EMP backbox deleter.
I started calling him straight pipe Steve.
Yeah.
He straight pipe the Golf R was disgusting sound.
I occasionally put it on when Brandon or someone comes past that's louder than me and I get jealous.
Yeah.
And then I put it on and then I realise it's ridiculous and my ears start bleeding.
Yeah, when he wants to go full Asbo, he puts the Asbo pipe on.
And it is a bit too much, to be honest. So in a minute he's got a Scorpion on, because otherwise you probably wouldn't be able to hear us.
No, he's literally like, I'm sitting 4 cars behind him on the motorway and I can hear the drone of his car. I can't even hear mine, I can hear his car. Yeah. With the windows done up, I'm like, what is this?
It's so bad I have to have a window open, otherwise the drone, like, you literally can't drive it, that's how bad it is.
You can't think.
Yeah.
And you need to think when you drive, ideally.
So yeah, that goes on when I decide it's too quiet.
Yeah. So, more fun facts about Steve's car. So, Steve's how did this build start? Like, because when I met little Stephen, right, he had was it a Ram Air air filter?
Yeah.
Ram Air air filter, he had a catback exhaust, and then was it Rotaform DIA?
Dinner plate.
Disgusting, everyone hated that. Yeah. And then air. So he was a bit of a scene queen, let's be honest.
Yeah.
And he was like all about the scene, all about the stance and all that. And about a year later, I've noticed about a year now is a full-on Asbo. Like, made it 385 brake, puts a straight pipe on the car, got rid of them, got Revo wheels which are lighter, so makes the car even better.
I mean,
he put metal engine mounts in.
Yeah.
Like, there's no poly bush there really.
Well, they are, but they're very, very
It's
stiff.
like driving on rocks.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I sort of bought the car originally because it was fast enough and I wanted to make a show car. And very quickly, well, to be fair, it took me about 18 months to sort of turn it into a show car. So I bought air wheels and all that sort of stuff, and then I just sort of sat there and looked at it. It was like, well, that's sort of it. That's it. You just look at it. So I
yeah,
sort
of, it's not really.
No, it's pretty.
Still drives the same.
It's pretty, but it's. I don't know. I had stretch tires on it and just made it cooling like a bag of shit. When you launched, it was just spinning, and I just thought, is it really worth just it being pretty for you to sacrifice the driving? So then I decided to get it, sort of go for power, and I was only going to go stage 2 originally. Well, one actually originally. Then I got sidetracked by stage 2.
That was me. I was like, I'll go stage 1. Stage 2's ridiculous. Stage 3, who would be stupid enough to spend that much money on the car?
Yeah. Then I got sidetracked by stage 2 plus, and then ended up going from stock to stage 2 plus in one jump.
Yeah, he's a bit reckless. Yeah. bit of a savage, old Stephen here. But yeah, so like Steve's car literally went from 0 to 100 real quick. Like the thing now launches ridiculous. Everything about his car is ridiculous. I'm pretty sure it's safe to say it's probably one of the most insane Golf Rs out there, and it's a Mark 6, not the Mark 7, which everyone else seems to opt for.
Yeah.
That's what makes it more unique as well.
I could have bought the Mark 7, but I don't know, there's something about it. I mean, they're lovely cars, don't get me wrong, but I think the commonness sort of put me off.
Yeah, you see them everywhere. Well, we see Mark 6 a lot because we always point out to Steve, there's enough Mark 6.
Yeah,
your car's not unique. It's dead. Like, the amount of ST you see on the road's a joke. But yeah, the Mark 7Rs definitely are a very common car. They didn't keep it limited.
They are great cars though, they tune very well and they look very good.
Yeah, they do.
I just chose a 6 because I remember seeing one of these when I first passed my driving test and I always thought I wanted that car.
Still pretty slow though, say that. No, the car makes me feel sick if I don't look forward. It's one of them ones, you don't look at where you're going, you're just like, oh, I was sick. And it's on like 8-pot Tarox calipers.
Yeah, I think the stiffness makes it worse when you like sort of look away and look back. I think
it's not nice. Well, it's nice, but it's weird. I don't like it.
I think the only things that are keeping it drivable, like comfortable wise, are the seats, standard seats. I was going to change them up, but they're very nice. Comfortable.
Then you want wingbacks.
Yeah, but are they gonna? If I put them in, it's gonna make it ridiculously uncomfortable, ain't it?
Yeah.
Because it's bouncing around like this. Air ride isn't comfortable, by the way, no matter what anyone says.
Okay, so unfortunately the GoPro died, so we're going to stop rambling on now and get onto the key parts of this video. Speed. Need more power. Alright, Steve, plan Steve wise, speed wise.
Yeah.
Will you be chasing more power figures down, like a big turbo?
Well, yeah,
I don't mean to incorrect you, but you've just missed a turning.
Yeah, I'm going back this way, aren't I?
No. Oh, well, you've just gone back this way. I wasn't holding the phone properly. Sick bastard. I forgot you got overrun. You just reminded me. Alright, I've got to hold this really weird. Oh, fuck. But yeah, in the words of Jeremy Clarkson,
Power.
Yeah,
so, because I went a bit over the top of the stage 2 class, realistically, I don't really have to get a lot to get a big turbo.
Yeah, you literally did every single supporting one possible, Steve.
Except for meth. Because
we don't do drugs.
Drugs are bad. Yeah, so I do want a TTE 480 turbo, so obviously that should give me about 480 brake. I want one in the future, but that'll probably be maybe a year away because I find it a bit ridiculous on it this year.
Yes, you have.
So that is obviously the plans for the future. But what's required for that really is a low pressure fuel pump, injectors, and turbo. Really, because I've done everything else stage 2 class.
Yeah, like every single supporting one possible there is done.
Yeah.
Like,
so it should get some good figures as well when it go stage 3 eventually.
okay, so Steve,
Yeah.
launch test.
Launch time.
Put the launchy things in the thing. See if it beats an A45 or not.
You ready?
I'm ready. You almost made my hat fall off.
Woo! Forgot how fast that was. I don't do this a lot because it's very bad for the clutch. Okay, now.
I don't know what's faster, that or the A45.
Heart speed.
Like a stage 2 A45 or stage 2 Golf R.
I don't know. Santa Pod will find out.
Santa Pod. That's a video to be done. I told you we'd do one against an A45 versus the stage 2 A45 versus the stage 2 Golf, but we have yet to make that. But I reckon the launch is going to be very, very close.
Yeah, me too.
Like, my bum hurts because of how scared I was. Let's park up and wrap this video up, I think. Okay, so as I said, time to wrap up the video. It's been a pleasure with Steve and his Mark 6R 385 brake. Very insane. Leave his Instagram down below. Brandon, watch your ass because this thing will probably eat you. Like, I'm not sure you're dead. I don't know. It should be good.
Close.
Our comparison video of them two will be very good.
Yeah.
But yeah, as always, smash a like, comment down below what you thought. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button. As I said, go check out Steve's channel, and I'll see you boys in the next one. We look like the Blues Brothers. Loving it. Peace.
Peace.